good little startup to start the video off. We're about to go pick up what food? White Castle. I haven't vlogged too much at all on this channel, so we're giving it a try and seeing what's up, because we got to do like a little POV drive out to, where are we going? Southfield. So it's a bit of a drive. You ordered for the drive-thru? All right, y'all, I'm gonna get back with you in a second. I'm gonna get this White Castle because we starving. I got the heads shipping out like this weekend. I just locked in a 6.1 liter intake with the fuel rails and the injectors from a 6.1. So we're making some progress with the build. Catch up with y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna try to knock some time off this. There's a medical facility. A chill spot. This medical building looked like something that was built in Florida for real. I like it. Wanted to talk about where we're going with the build for a second. I keep getting tons of questions. We are grabbing 6.1 liter heads. I already have springs and retainers. I need to grab shims. You know, there's a whole lot of small pieces that work into doing a camshaft and or head swap, or replacement, or whatever you would want to call it. Either way, there's a lot of small things to take into consideration. So there are, you know, tons of bolts, gaskets. I have a 6.1 liter intake coming, the fuel rails, injectors, map sensor. The compression should be bumped up to 11 to 1, and everything should just be flowing a lot better. It's going to make a lot better power, and we're going to be getting rid of the possibility of dropping the valve seat, or possibly a valve, which has rarely happened, but the valve seats are more so common. Just rather not put myself in a situation where I'm putting money into the car and, you know, they play ping pong with each other, the piston and the valve seat. next clip. I don't know what we're gonna be into, but we're gonna be into something. We're going to a touchless wash right now. Used to be my favorite car wash, got bought out by a different company, and now I'm trying to decide if I still like it or not. And for y'all who keep asking me, is there drone with your exhaust? This is me cruising. This is me letting completely off. So this is me barely tapping it. Y'all can see the RPM gauge barely moved. Yes, there's quite a bit of drone, but that's okay. Currently, I have 6.1 liter heads fresh from the machine shop. You know, fresh valve job and everything, so that's gonna be nice. And then I got, you know, the push rods, springs, retainers, and quite a few other things. The actual camshaft itself, you know. There we go. So yeah, this used to be owned by an old man who was always up here making sure everything was good. And now they done bought it out by Ace's Auto Wash, and you know, hey, they got the other sign back. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, they got the other one back up. You remember that was gone. And I got the new carbon fiber shift knob. It is smaller and sits a little bit differently. Come on, focus, man. There we go. Matches the steering wheel. The dude who did the leather said he can't add the stitching because there's just hard plastic behind this. That's okay. But we're about to get this thing washed up. Ah, there it is. You know that these dryers right here are gonna be terrible, so we'll have to get out and dry it, do all that. We're gonna see how good this wash does. If it does not do a good job, then I'm gonna find somewhere else to wash my car. I've been coming here for years, but if they lacking now because the other people bought them, that ain't my fault. That looks horrendous. I'm never coming back here unless I use the self-service. I just needed the underside washed. I need the undercarriage. No, I don't want to put the towel on that either. That was a waste of like $17. I swear it was like $17. We finna pull around and go inside one of these bays. All right, y'all. So now we got it into the wash bay. So we decided I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-soak it and then soap it down. And I'm gonna use this sponge to try to get all this BS, all this pollen and everything. And then once I hit it with this, I'm gonna go back and do a rinse. So let's get to it. Yeah, that right there. That's working for me. The pollen's coming off. I just gotta scrub this whole hood, the roof, the trunk, above the doors. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a few minutes so I can hurry up before any of this starts to dry or run off. It's 50, dog. Why are we doing 40? I had to leave it in first gear right there, though, because that Jeep was trying to box me up. I was not letting that happen. I was about to give it the sauce. See, people think I'm gassing it when I do that. Just tapping the pedal. I'm gonna catch up with you in just a second. Popped out at Woodward. Nice Impala. We got folks all out here. There's tons of people mixed in with regular traffic throughout the lot. But we're grubbing. So we'll catch up with y'all after. That's badass. Nope. Nope. One more. Yeah. Pizza. We're on the way to go get some pizza. We were gonna order from the Mod Pizza where you saw those clips of the cars and everything, but it was a 50-minute wait for some pizza, so we gotta go back through Troy anyway, so we're going to this one over here across from where we typically have our car meets. Do those people not have a green arrow? I guess they did. Bro doesn't know how to. Pizza, here we go. This pizza was tiny, so we ordered a whole nother one. Banana peppers, red onion, all. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another part of the vlog. Right now we're going to the homie's house. I'll probably show y'all his truck. I love how touchy this car is. fish marrow. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Look at it on the welds. Big tire, big nitto on the back. That turbo. Hey everybody, sorry for the abrupt ending to the vlog. I ended up hanging out with the homie B, chilling for a little while, and then heading over to some family members' houses and taking care of some things. So that is the end of the first official vlog on the Underdog Builds channel. However, stay tuned for more informational and educational content that we have been producing on the channel, as well as more vlogs, POV drives, installs, and a lot more coming to the channel. I appreciate you for tuning in. There's a whole list of videos over here that I gotta go ahead and get to and get through. Without further ado, let's bring this vlog to a close. Stay tuned for the abundance of content that we have in motion for the channel, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.